Hey friends, Bail here again with another quick design break for you guys with something that I think is such a game changer for laser file makers. So Adobe Illustrator just came out with a brand new feature called Concept to Vector. And this is a generative AI feature that I think is gonna blow your mind because it is blowing my mind. So let's jump in and I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial of how it works and tell you why I love it so much. Okay, when you're in Illustrator, here you can see a couple of examples that I have, but let's just jump down to these over here. This is artwork by my very good friend, Genna Blackburn. I'll link her below so you can check her out. The concept of Concept to Vector is taking a raster image, like an image, a sketch, a drawing, anything that's in a pixelated version, and creating an editable vector in seconds. So let me show you right here by, let's go ahead and use this adorable capybara. Let's move this guy over here. To use this feature, you are going to want to make sure that you have your contextual taskbar open. If you can't figure out where that is, just go to Window and select contextual taskbar. This is going to give you the Concept to Vector tool right away anytime you click on a raster image. So here I have the image selected, and then now I have the ability to apply Concept to Vector to it. So when I click on Concept to Vector, it's going to give me the ability to write a prompt. Now I want to choose the style that I want to have this vector created. If you click on this settings button over here, you're going to get this Concept to Vector kind of options menu. And this is where I think things are going to get so fun. So you can choose whichever style you'd want. The ones I think that are going to be really cool for laser cutting is using this 3-color option and this line art option. So let's try the 3-color option and I'll show you what we can do with this. So here is the 3-color option, and essentially what this is going to do is it's going to vectorize this raster artwork into 3 separate colors. Now what I'm thinking that we can do with this is separate these pieces into cuttable separate pieces that we can essentially piece together with laser files. So if you're thinking acrylic files, if you're thinking puzzle pieces, anything like that, you can totally do that by using this feature. Okay, what? Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm stunned. So here is the raster image. This was the drawing by Genna, and then this is the vector. Let's go ahead and look at this in outline mode. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at that. That is a perfect vector. Oh my God, I cannot wait. Okay, so this one is the game changer over here. So if I select this and switch it from the 3-color to the line art, check out what happens. This is where I think that you're going to be able to use raster drawings and turn them into line art, which is perfect for scoring designs. And you know me, when I'm trying to put a design in the laser, I wanted to do it fast, and we all know that scoring files are the fastest files that we could put in the laser. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, oh my gosh, that's so cute. So you can see here, I'm going to toggle over to outline mode. These are single lines. So this is a path line that can be used for a score outline. Now, of course, you are going to want to clean this up just a tad so that, you know, it looks like the drawing. But this is such a great starting point when you are taking a drawing or a sketch and then creating an editable vector file. So here are a couple more examples that I was playing with. This is a photograph, and I went ahead and applied the 3-color option to this, and you can see that it gave me 3 colors that are now so easy to work with when it comes to laser cutting. Here's the option for the line art. And now this one is just a drawing that I didn't make, or I think I just pulled this from Google, but you can see how easy it vectorized it and kind of made it a little bit more cleaner and crisper. And then this is what it would look like in the line art version. All right. Okay, my friends, I really hope that this tutorial was helpful for you, and I cannot wait to see how you transform your artwork or your raster images into editable vectors in seconds. If you enjoy these tutorials, please make sure to like and subscribe so that you can catch the very next design break. All right, thanks guys. Bye-bye.